Jessica must ask.
Fruit punch, please. Lots of ice.
You dirty, right? You have to think, bro.
Why 10 grand? I say 10 to 15. What happened?
You think a relationship?
So what a beautiful girl like you doing here alone?
You're the little Spanish town, hot foot, you got to go.
Me have to dismantle that out of village bad dog. You don't know that?
Have you been sexually active in Westmoreland since you came here?
Says she flirt with her boyfriend, but dream him up bun and bling, so she go bed with him.
Bro, me ask you a question. I feel man them.
Girl, come in, man. I'm a condom and the girl tell me about no. What more? The girl look hard.
Get disease, now it started spreading. She start to seek penicillin, she's dying.
Thank God me not ready yet for no man. Is it for no I don't know? Use condom.
And this is really serious.
Mercy please, for life she begging. When she gets her to the mark, she heading.
So motherfucker!
And a Portmore, where she come from?
Yeah!
And you know here what I want a Portmore?
A little.
Would you like something to drink?
Yeah.
What's your name, madam? What's your name? What's your name?
That sound good then. So how much?
All right, me will give you for $12,000.
It's not your gangster flex. Baby, it's all about the sex.
Bad man, she go spread that one right now, you know?
It's not gonna work out, you know.
Where I go? Give me this.
That's what you say. No, I'm to stay here. I don't have to stay here.
We're gonna chop her up today.
Yes, come on, do it. Chop her up like that. Come on, do it.
Oh, sit down.
What?
Ready, man, look at my bingo in idea.
Flesh and the flesh hold together, me, see me here. Woo-hoo! I'll meet to a quail up.